Hello friends, my name is Amok Kaliwa and welcome back to my channel Sesha's Tech. In the last video, we understood the installation process of the data science tool R. In today's video, we will understand the practical applications of the data science which I have implemented from my experience. The first practical application of data science is forecasting of power in solar and wind. As the demand of electricity is increasing day by day due to the increase in gadgets and home appliances, the primary source for generation of electricity is fossil fuels. And as fossil fuels are depleting, the next source is renewable energy. The popular sources of renewable energies are wind and solar. Apart from wind and solar, tidal waves are also a source of generation of electricity. To maintain the grid balance between the demand and the supply, forecasting of power is a key important role. Data science helps in forecasting of power in wind and solar by identifying the key influential attributes and extraction of the patterns from the historical data. For example, in solar power forecasting, precipitation, radiation, temperature plays a key important role. And similarly, in wind power forecasting, pressure, wind speed, wind direction plays a key important role. The next practical application of data science is Formula E Championship. Formula 1 Championship is a competitive category in motorsport. In India, Buddh International Circuit is for Formula 1 Grand Prix. Similar to Formula 1 Grand Prix, we have Formula E Championship. Formula E Championship is a electric motor vehicle fast emerging motorsports. Formula E Championship helps us to spread the awareness of climate changes and addresses the effects of air pollution. As it is an electric vehicle, energy usage is a key important role in the race. Data science helps in predicting the number of laps with the energy left in the vehicle on real-time basis. Similarly, attack mode is another feature where the driver gets extra energy which he can utilize for defensive and offensive strategies. So, what is offensive and defensive strategies? Offensive strategy is a technique where the driver overtakes the driver ahead of him. Here, the algorithms identifies the weak links of the driver ahead of you from the previous races and pinpoints the exact position in the circuit to overtake the driver ahead of you. Similarly, in defensive strategy, algorithm pinpoints all the positions in the circuit where you should defend your position from overtake. The next application of data science is bankruptcy analysis. It is a primitive technique which is utilized by the banks and investors from decades to identify defaulters. Bankruptcy by definition is a person or a company who is not able to pay his debt which is borrowed from the investor or banks. Bankruptcy does not occur in a day or two. It is a series of events which happens over a period of time. And from our analysis, this series of events can be identified 2 years prior to the event. Here, data science analyzes the patterns from historical data. Patterns which are utilized for analysis are attributes like expenditure pattern of the company or an individual, the return of investments of the individual, or repayment of the debt by the company. Such informations are collected and created into ratios. These ratios are utilized with simulation-based algorithms like artificial neural network to find the probability of default. The next practical application of data science is supply chain analytics. Supply chain analytics consists of 3 stages. One is production, warehouse, and supply to the customers. Supply chain analytics helps to improve the operational efficiency and effectiveness by data-driven decisions at strategic and operational levels. There are many issues faced by the warehouse. Example, the coordination between the carrier and the warehouse, the effective utilization of the resources. Here, resources represents machines and humans. In this problem, data science algorithms like genetic algorithm or gradient descent helps us to optimize the schedules by identifying the key resources which should be run in parallel and share the load equally between all the resources. It also helps in the coordination between the carrier and the warehouse by completing the tasks ahead of the carrier reporting time. Here, the algorithm works on the real-time basis and optimizes the schedules by inculcating some of the factors like enabling automatic scheduling, handling the breakdown of carriers, and so on. The next application of data science is job recommendation engine. Recommendation engine is a primitive technique which is utilized by the e-commerce website. Whenever you browse an item in any of the portals of e-commerce like Amazon or Flipkart, they recommend products similar to that item. Similarly, nowadays, job recommendation engine is utilized by the job portals like Naukri, IIM, and Monster. They utilize to recommend jobs to the individuals who visit their websites. Job recommendation engine are of three types: content-based recommendation engine, collaborative type of recommendation engine, and hybrid. In content-based recommendation engine, similar items which are browsed on the job portal are searched and recommended to the user. In collaborative type of recommendation engine, whenever you register on the job portal, your past historical data is utilized to analyze similar users who are on the job portal. Then the jobs which are visited by the users who are similar to you is recommended to you. Hybrid type of recommendation engine is a combination of content-based recommendation engine and collaborative type of engine. The next practical application of data science is vehicle route optimization. The goal of this project is to find optimal number of routes for multiple vehicles servicing different number of customers. There are many constraints in this problem, such as number of vehicles available to service, the capacity of the vehicle, different number of customers, different locations of the customers, the time interval we should service the customer, and so on. In India, many companies like Flipkart, Amazon, eCart, UrbanClap utilizes this approach to solve the problem. Data science utilizes Tableau search or genetic algorithm to come up with optimal number of routes and time priority of the customer and the minimum number of distance to be traveled between each customers. This algorithm works on real time and addresses some of the issues like if the customer is not available or reduce the time of manual planning and many more. Next practical application of data science is healthcare analytics. Healthcare analytics is utilized to diagnose diseases. In the Western countries, it is also utilized by many of the insurance companies to identify the frauds. Here, data science utilizes statistical hypothesis testing algorithms to detect the anomalies in the results submitted by the claimer. It is also used to discover new medicines for the diseases. Here, the data science algorithm extracts the patterns from the different diseases, identify the key points, and discovers the new medicine. This approach of data science helps the pharmaceutical companies to reduce time and huge cost incurred in the practical research. The next practical application of data science is HR analytics. HR analytics is a primitive technique which is used by the organization to uphold the performance of an individual. In HR analytics, they solve many problems like how much time it will take to recruit an employee, or how much investment should a company do on an individual to get the full potential out of the employees, or identification of the potential employees who will leave in the next 1 year. Data science utilizes different algorithms and helps HR to analyze the data collected and prevent future challenges even before they happen. This type of HR analytics saves future costs and increases the revenue and productivity of the employees of the organization. The next practical application of data science is supermarket analytics. Supermarkets like DMart, Asda, Tesco, Walmart, Big Bazaar, Reliance Smart are collecting data. These data which are collected are utilized to understand the patterns of purchasing of individual customers. This purchasing patterns helps the supermarkets to store the required items during the seasons. Supermarkets are also utilizing market basket algorithms. These algorithms helps to identify the products which go hand in hand. Example, milk and bread, tea and sugar. These items can be stocked together so that it will help the customer to increase his efficiency during purchase. If you like my video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.